Is loading at the moment, but in the meanwhile, we will be discussing the next step that is moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed Deepgram for Workflows. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. Let's just choose location one and move forward. We are on our sub account now, and the next step will be moving forward towards the app configuration to get our Deepgram for Workflows configured into our automations. Fine for Deepgram here, we have to get it configured. Here, what we have to need is the API key. To do that, so you have to just get signed up for Deepgram, and after that, in the front page, in the home page, there will be an option to create your own API key. From there, you have to create your own API key, and you have to copy paste that API key here. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our Deepgram account, and as you can see in the home page, in the navigation bar, you can find for the API keys, and you can generate your own API key here. As I have already just created one, I will let you know how to create another one. Let's just name it test here, and you can also just set the expiration, the advanced settings, the rows with that, and you can just choose whenever you need as an admin, the member, or the owner as well. I will just move forward with the default, and I am not adding any of specific tags right now. You can just create your own key right from here, and it is just giving us the option to just view it for once, and after that we cannot just view it again. So copy that, and you can just not uncheck it. So we are done with the API key now, and now we will be moving forward back to Boots on the platform, copy paste the API key and get it configured. After pasting that API key here, you have to submit, and as you can see, it is successfully configured now. The next step will be moving forward towards the automations to create a workflow and to check on the actions are working correctly or not. You can find for the automations from here in the navigation bar. And from here, you have to create a new workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder now, and we have to create a new action and also check on what values are being provided by Deepgram for Workflows. Find for Deepgram. Here it is. These are the actions that are basically provided by Deepgram for Workflows. You can just get and update the project. You can create your keys, not yeah, you can get the key as well. You can create summary. You can just create transcriptions in the plain text or callback as well. You can just send invites or delete the invites as well. But right now, to set an example, we will be choosing the speech to text. That is basically a transcription of the whole video you provided. It will be in the form of the URL. You can also provide it like in a YouTube video as well. You will be choosing the model, and you will be also choosing the languages. We have right now we have chosen English language, and you can also choose or check on any of these filters. You can add profanity filters, you can punctuate, you can just add filler words. It's up to you. These are a variety of options here. Save this action. Now you can just add some notes with that. Find for custom values here down below. Deepgram for Workflows, speech to text, and you can choose any of the custom values from these You can add some text with that. Now save the whole and now we will be testing our workflows. You can choose any of the contact you want to send on and run this test. Heading towards the execution logs now and just refresh. As you can see, both of the actions, notes, and the speech to text are executed successfully. That's how simpler and easier is that. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.